So that's how it does it. In stream start sharing. Cool. Okay, cool. If anybody's here right now, drop a like, give me some shouts. See if I can't do something. Okay. We're just kind of waiting to open. Just waiting till open. Man, I'm trying to figure out all this layout. You don't have access to this feature. What? You don't have access to... I don't have access to my own features? What? Huh. I'll have to figure all this out sooner than later. Let's see. Still trying to wake up. I'm on my second freaking energy drink. Ugh. Red Bull giving me wings like NASDAQ. Here we go. Yeah, excuse you. So humid down here. I'm trying to figure out if I like the YouTube studio layout or if I like that restream. Don't really know what I like, but we'll give this one a couple of chances. As you can see here, I got 4 Lucid Pros. I had 5, but as you can see, the one sitting with a 49,000 balance. Same with the other one. I already blew that one this morning. And you can see on the chart that I've already taken 2 trades. So let me go load up one more time real quick. Going to go refill this cup of water, and I will be right back. Oh man, Celsius makes you pee like no other. Ugh. What are we sitting at? Let's see if I can't get some. Already got 1,300 people watching. 17. I'd like to see some. I'd like to see some likes, see some comments. Y'all got questions, concerns, anything like that. So that account at the very bottom with 53.7 in it right now, as it stands. Make $100 today on it, get my $1,500 payout. I had one of these accounts, I think it was 8 or 10, at that level yesterday before I hit a little bit of a drawdown. Really kind of screwed me up, but let's see what I can do, what can happen. Ugh. Okay. Well, let's kind of mess around a little bit. Do y'all got any questions? Shoot a comment, ask me anything. I'm pretty open, and as you can see, you're going to see all of my trades at all given times. So when I enter, you'll see it. When I exit, you'll see it. Keep everything open. Keep everything. I'm just going to be working on this account. Either I blow it, either I lose it, or it works. Kind of my philosophy. Right now, what are we looking at? We had a gap, obviously, from NVIDIA earnings. 24,965. 25.012, that can be taken out with one candle at any given moment. So let's see if there's a bigger. 977 to 33. That's a decent sized gap that we've come back and retested a couple of times. Let's see if we can't come back into this little area of fun. See if we can't get back in it. We got larger gaps up above us. 25.303 is a nice target, all the way down to 24.512. So, I mean, I don't care if you trade ICT, believe in any of that stuff. It's just kind of like an area of interest that shit magnetizes towards. So I just follow with it. Most of the times I'm just looking for a setup. Easily put, just a setup. Ooh, the hourly chart. The hourly chart shows a much more realistic gap, I say. No, let's keep the 15 gap for now and see what do we come and do. What are y'all thinking? What are y'all thinking? Throw some likes up on it if you want, if you're ready. Me personally, that's all up to y'all. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I ain't gonna throw a trade just yet. Let's see. Let's see what's going on with these charts. Heavy wick from the data. Won't shit on that. Okay, so this 15-minute. Let's see what your data candle, blah, 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 all that fun stuff. Ugly. See, this is kind of what I'm talking about. Like this little area, that's 345. So this is about NVIDIA's earning time. So I'm thinking we're going to come back down to about this candle. We've already retested here. But then you can see we've already hit it with that little wick down and it rejected. So, who knows? That's one of the goals to make money today. Forming a nice little shoulder. See if it can't reject up here. I might be getting in too soon, but we've got a little bit of a buffer to play with. Let's just
order filled.
Try it out. See if it can't come back down to this little EMA. It's been acting as support. Oh. I mean, 20 points, 20 points. 20 points is 20 points. Let us see, let us see. There we go. There's a little drop. A little rejection right up there to that wick. So what I'll do is I'll put my stop right there. It's going to be a real tight stop. I'll let it flush down a little bit more. Go on, drop down. And then I'll just kind of live trail it a little bit. Pull back down, pull back down. Get off the screen. Maybe we come back down into down there. Where we go? We can at least put the stop there and just trail it down every like 5 points. Unless you get stopped out here. And then we still have that mindset of take profit down here. We got 9 minutes before open, 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes or whatever. If we get stopped out, we'll just look for another re-entry somewhere in this candle. But this is still going to be our target. Just drop it down. Drop it down. There we go. A little bit more so we can trail a little bit. Don't move it too much. Give it a little room to breathe, but again, if we get
stop filled,
we will look for an entry somewhere like at the tip of that wick. Turn green just for a little bit. There.
Order filled.
And then this is still our target area, just somewhere down in here. But, oh, damn, I could have waited. Could have waited. Oh, well, this is an area of rejection last time, so
order filled.
We'll doubling down. You just got to put a second order and change that to 2 so I can trail with 2. That was a nice little stuff. Oh, probably going to get
stop filled.
Yeah, got stopped out. But still up 354, so nothing wild, nothing crazy. Yeah, well, it's pretty cool. I thank y'all for choosing to watch me. I know there's plenty of other YouTubers and things like that y'all could watch, but I'm just an average guy, average person, doing average things, trying to just get by in life, trying to make it in life, you know. So thank y'all for watching. But I don't know how I feel about all the way down here. That's the data candle. We're at least going to come like halfway, but we've already came halfway. We're making low. There's a high. There's a lower high. There's a lower high. typically everything happens in threes, which means we should rocket back up by that mentality. But we're also 4 minutes away from open, 5 minutes away now. There's that. Nice. Good thing we didn't short or stay short, because that would have been fun. But you see, it came back down to this EMA. I mean, I don't know how much I believe that or justify that, because 825. Just like 830, once it opens, it doesn't matter about if we're above or below this. It's going to go which way it wants to go. And a lot of people in my mindset or my thoughts, I believe they're going to be taking profit from NVIDIA's earnings, or you're going to have everybody FOMOing in. So this morning's going to be an interesting one. I ain't jumping into a trade right now. Like I said, I just need to make $100 on this account today, and I get a $1,500 payout. Make me another $1,200-$1,300 here. Make me another $1,200-$1,300 here, and then just ride it out. Just slowly grind it up. And then I got some take profit accounts. Let me actually show you those. This is interesting. I guess stop sharing? Weird. Huh. But yeah, here's my take profit account. You can see I got the One Pro. This is my daily payout account. But then I got these 4 accounts that I just had to make one trade day. All 4 of these will be live tomorrow. So I typically hate getting live accounts on Fridays, but here is a good possibility for me. So the only account I can trade on today now is this one. And with how much data and uncertainty everything has been, so I might not even trade this account anymore. So let us get back over to the more active account. And there we go. We'll stay at this account and we'll keep the activity going. Yeah, I don't. I like it. It's channeling down a little bit. Just trying. If anything, we're going to come back, fill this whole green bar up. You got 1.5 minutes left. Right back down to the EMA. So let's just kind of see. Like I said, just gonna wait, just gonna sit and see. Oh. My hops. My beer hops. Bottling day is upon us. Ooh, looky there, dropped right down just to recover. I'm just gonna kind of wait it out, play it out, see what happens. Not gonna jump into anything real quick, even though open somewhere in there. Boom, buyers, but then sellers immediately start taking profit. Now we got more buyers. Everybody's taking this unemployment rate on the friggin' jobless non-farm payroll was huge. Let's see. Chavez is speaking right now, but don't know how much that will affect things. You got home sales coming up, which me being in the process of buying a home right now, actually home sales should be pretty low. It should come in under because of all the inflation, which is going to put more inflation pressure on the rate cuts. So that actually could be a good thing if they come in under. Then we got Cook speaking it in an hour and a half. So yeah, we got quite a bit of activity today and tomorrow. Just like I said, just gonna wait, let everything kind of simmer down. That's 170, 207. So that's about a 40-point minute candle. Like just this alone is 40 points in 1 minute. When you're trading one con, 40 points is equivalent to $800. So you can make or break yourself real freaking quick. This little blue line, these little blue lines are the opening range. I set mine to 15 minutes. Sometimes I'll do 5, but typically 15 minutes is my sweet spot. So I just kind of wait for it to break out or make new levels. So, and this white line is the middle of it. So if we can stay, right now we're just kind of staying in the middle of it. We're going up right now, but let's just see where this closes in 30 seconds, see which direction we're going to be going in. And then y'all can see either I'm going to long it or short it. Put my finger on the trigger and ain't a pillow behind me. Okay. Looks like we are going up. So wait for a little slide down and boom.
Order filled.
Could have waited for more of a slide down, but set my target up to the blue line. So it's 48. Then we get 37 pointer. But looks like we're going down a little bit. Pick back up. This might just be a quick close once it shows back up.
Order filled.
What? It's a little $115 gain right there. The goal is to get 1,200 profit on this one. So I need 750 more. Put me right back at the 50,000 mark. Buy again.
Order filled.
Let's see if the buyers are still here. And
Order filled.
That wasn't 100, but still 60. Okay, cool. So just those two scalps right there. Could have held it. I mean, just those two scalps right there, $175. Just too whippy. Just up, down, up, down, up, down. I mean, what's that? What's that level? 227. Why is that becoming like a resistance area for 227? Doesn't look like anything. I mean, the data candle wick. Is it? No. Once we break out of this little wick, let's see. Going down, so I mean, sellers might still be in this area right here. If that's the case,
Order filled.
Ride with them. This is a 5-minute chart now, right there. Probably a bad choice, but let's just see. See if we can't go hit 168. Or we just take 100.
Order filled.
Oh, that was a good one. $180. So wasn't a bad deal. I mean, $180 real quick. But yeah, like these past few days, catching 50-point moves and actually holding it, just the anticipation and people buying, getting ready for data release, NVIDIA earnings, things like that. Like it really sent a shockwave, and it was much easier to trade instead of all this whippiness. Like this 15-minute now, but you can see wick. Now, who knows what's about to happen with this one? I mean, we already have a wick kind of at the bottom, staying here. So, I mean, who knows? We're back on the 1 minute. Let's see what really happens. I mean, let's see. Yesterday, I mean, the biggest thing is yesterday, news. So, I mean, we could come back down into this area, let the sellers get out. Who knows? I might have trapped them. But yesterday, I mean, catch the run up, catch the drop down, catch the walk up, drop down, catch the run up. So patterns repeat, up, down, up. Technically should be down, unless this is considered a down. But that might have been considered the down, and now we are in the up position because 300 EMA has been held. The 60 EMA has been broken, but then it just stayed in between them, and now it's powered through it. So I'm going to wait to make a buy somewhere in here, which I might just buy it right there.
Order filled.
Then 49, so that'd be a 32-pointer. See if we can't catch a nice little 30-pointer with y'all. The heavy buyer momentum, whatever you want to call it. I mean, I'm just going with what I see. if y'all are taking any trades, making any money with me, I mean, I'm trying to figure out how to do this properly for you all, for myself. Just doing my own little thing and letting y'all be a part of it too. So like, ooh, that was a good slip. What's $5? So 5 points. If we break this, I'll turn this into a trail. But buyers aren't letting it go much lower than that. I might double in. Yeah.
Order filled.
Ooh, probably a bad deal. Well, this kind of gets wrecked. It gets wrecked. Oh, that whole 1 minute candle. 237, 169. I mean, those are 80 points and all that stuff. But somebody's saying something for it to be reacting like this. So I'm going to close it as soon as I see profits. As soon as I see a profit, I'm going to close it. I might even tighten this up just in case it whips back up real quick before my finger hits the trigger. Like that. Like a little whip like that real quick.
Order filled.
I'll take it. Oh, yeah, would have hit my take profit up there. Made $285 but lost $220, so I mean net $65. That's fine with me. At least we're still up. But yeah, with how crazy and whippy all this is, I'm not gonna risk this account just yet. Wait for things to settle down a little bit. Just play with this account. If this needs 750 more. No. I lied. I need 450 more. Yeah. Damn, my original take profit might have been getting hit. Oh well, I mean, if y'all rode that through from that first buy all the way down to that shit back up, I mean, what, 217 to 237? I mean, that's 20 points. Let's see if we hit it. Yep, there you go. 40. Regardless, I mean, 20 or 17 to 42, that's 25 points. It's $500. Yep, there it goes. So we all would have made some money on that one. What are we doing? There's the retest.
Order filled.
See how much higher we can go. First level should be what? 198. 198 to, let's just say 48. So that's 50 points. So I want to catch 50-point move up. So I need 301. That'll be my 301 would be my, god damn. Whew. Didn't like that. Yeah, whatever. Just keep it as a mental target. They would be closed right on it. As long as we don't come back down to. Who is saying what? Fed's bar. The stock market is influencing the spending of wealthier consumers. AI is not yet translating into productivity gains. AI generating significant gains in GDP. So he's just bashing on AI right now, which, I mean, it's a big thing. But at the same time, who knows? I sure as shit don't. I'm just here for the games, here for the tendies. To break this area, what is that? 61. So I mean, start my trailing stop right here whenever we get there, if we ever get there. I'm not taking buy right there. Lower my average a lot. So it finally broke out of the middle, came back, retested it right there, and then just whoop, I'm back up. That's like right at the 200 level too, so they really don't want to back below 200. No, excuse you. Oh, well, I don't need to catch even a 50 pointer on this one. On this, I needed, what did I say, 450. So that is 22 points. So 73. So that right there, actually, yeah. So let's follow it. Let's target on this one. So let's just let it ride up to 273 and then be done with this account. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Let's just see how we go, how we doing. Just dancing around. So one con, if I need 22 points, if I double down, then I only need 11 points. That might be a little bit more realistic.
Order
Oh,
filled.
it slid back up. So what, 48? Yeah, 50. I'll take a little. Bloop, bloop. Bloop, bloop. Go, go. Yeah. Go, go. And struggling
Order
up there,
filled.
so. Of course. Watch is going to hit. Yep, and I would have already been done. I do that to myself all the time. Made 300, lost 230, only made 70 bucks. I don't know how I feel about the top of the range just yet, especially if you got a speaker bashing on AI, and the biggest AI contributor is literally just posted their earnings up. I don't know, maybe shorts have it up here. I mean, that was a huge candle. I don't know, but this little trend right here isn't giving me much confidence. Maybe we're just going to stay in this range.
Order filled.
Let's see. That's how it goes for me. So about 20 points. 20 points. Slide down just a little bit more so I can.
Stop field.
Okay, whatever.
Order filled.
Slide it down. We'll keep flirting with that little trend. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We'll break above there, though. I'm going to have to get out. Because then it's just the orb is going to just let it rocket up. Might just cut. Might just cut it quick. Yep, there it goes. How high is it gonna? Yeah, it's just gonna grind it out. Damn. Just caught myself. Thought it would flag and break down, but it did not. It actually did the opposite. So we will see how monstrous this can be.
Order filled.
Had some issues up here, I think overnight. Nope, we're already through the overnight high. Okay. Yeah, overnight high is all that. Which was 210. Which we broke out of 210. Oh, a couple of times. Is that 300? No, they just prevented it from going to 300 for now. So I just need $5 and 5. Let's see if you can't just pull down real quick. Shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy. Can we eat this whole candle real quick? Just one time.
Order filled.
And yes, I did get lucky. I caught the top. Got my average really freaking good. Made 530, but lost 300, so I mean, still up 200. This total is actually starting to get better. But I need to focus, pay attention, stick to the game plan, because now look, again, we tested the top. We tested the top of that opening range, which means we should be going up 50 points from here. You take the half value and you add it on. Some people take the whole value. I just think that's less probable, I guess. Well, the range is 249 to 140, so about $104, $105. Meaning that would need to be 355 would be the first target. I just take realistically the half and half because that occurs more often than not. We just waiting. Just waiting.
Order filled.
Take that by because it keeps its wick down and push back up. And we're going to be taking profit any second now.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm. I need 40 more dollars, but yep, see, came back down, the wicks push back up, the wicks push back up, and now we're just pushing straight up. So what did I say? 197, 49. So again, about 50 points. So 50 points from here would be 300. And where are we flirting with? I think we actually hit 300. So yeah, 50% or 50% of this on top. I mean, that's 50 points. 50 points, one con is $1,000. I made 1,000 the difficult way, the risky way. You could have made 1,000 taking it there on the retest, taking it there on that break, or even that break again. No, I'm still trying to train myself and teach myself, but being a scalper for so long, trying to break those habits is it's a little easier said than done. I'm just trying to teach you the way that I should have taught myself way back in the day. I mean, shit. Still trending up. Still trending up. I mean, these two uncertainty candles definitely throw some shit off. Because you got sellers up here pushing it down, you got buyers up here pushing it up. Who's going to win? You got buyers or sellers up here pushing it down, buyers up here pushing it up. Looks like the buyers won right now. So now we just kind of wait. Oh yeah, but I can get off this account. Let's do number 10. Okay, first engulfer.
Order filled.
Let's take a sell. Target that EMA. Let's put the trail.
Stop filled.
Okay, well, immediately, but still, $100. $100 here, $100 there. You do that 10 times a day. It's $1,000. Come on, just kiss it. Just kiss it. Oh, missed. Missed it by just a little. Let's see, here's my theory again, what I was just explaining. We're going to come test the top of the range, shimmy back up. I shouldn't have been looking for shorts for quick money. I should have been patient and waiting for this rip back up. If I would have gotten in closer down here, 53.50. 53, so that's 35 points. You know, so I'm going to start working on thinking these things through too. Let's see if we can't get into the close of that candle and try to write it up with everybody.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. So those highs up there, 299. See if we can't hit that 300 again. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. So much data today. Oh, home sales. Okay, cool. Home sales. Ow. Home sales came in twice as strong as predicted. Holy crap. Gonna take a hit on this one.
Order filled.
Did not expect home sales to be that good when everybody is talking about how it's a seller's market right now. Wow. Nope, there we go. Daily
Order
loss
filled.
There we go. So now these two are roughly the same, but this one's doing better than this one now. So 2008, let's go. Wait for a keys level to broke the 60 EMA with a vengeance. See if we can't go break up 300 now. This is the middle again. My judgment would say there's a reversal coming right here. As this has been a battlegrounds for most of the morning. So let's take the buy.
Order filled.
It's struggling again every time it gets down just a little bit. Pushes back up. But on the 5 minute, that's what we were talking about, that trend, waiting for that trend to break and slam. You see, trend, and then it kind of stalled, and this one broke it, and then up a little bit and slam. See if we can't get back up to those highs. We're going to make 1,200 to 60 points from 202 is only 62. Yourself a little buffer. Let's go. Yep, we're back at that like 200. I got in at 202. Shorts winded down below. Bulls might be losing steam. Don't really have a bias, just the bias is to grow the accounts. Didn't do that there, did that there. So I'm 50-50. See where this one takes me. Damn, tired. Oh, popped the hell out of my shoulders. See, they keep trying to push it down, and then buyer stepped in, push down, buyer stepped in. We'll just trail it, moving it up each candle.
Stop filled.
Okay, and then got stopped. Made 166. Look for another re-entry on this candle. Maybe
Order
right
filled.
there. Will it pop back up, pop back through? Yeah, it was fun the past 2 days. You used to have to zoom in so freaking hard. You just have to zoom in like that much just to get a trailing stop set, or else you'd be off by like 10 points. And these spreads these past few days have been wild. Let's just let it run it up. Well, you need like $100. So you're in at 208, so you need 58. Okay, cool. Let's just let it run up. Again, the middle of the range is holding up. Pushed it down, but then came back up, they pushed it back down. Opened, closed right around it. So Bulls don't want to give it up that easily. Bears definitely fighting, bring it back down. Come on, push it. 17. Let's push it up a little bit more so I can trail. No, 5 points. 13. I mean, yeah, that would have been close, but. Ugh. Good job on the Bears. I should have joined in with y'all, man. That's wild. They don't want it above 200. Bulls don't want it below like 180 or whatever. Yeah, 190. This is going to be our consolidation zone. I might get out right here. And I might just
Order
take
filled.
actually $5. $5. Whatever. This chop fest isn't. It's just ranging, so I need to get a better entry. I need to get a better entry.
Order filled.
Right on the middle. Instead of way up here, even though that doesn't look like much, that's still. That's 10 point. That's $200 difference. And now the profits will be going up when it whips up to there. Making $200. A lot more fun than making $5. And whenever it wicks down here, the drawdown isn't as detrimental, unless it just keeps dropping. Which, conveniently, is what it just fucking did. But this 300 EMA was safety last time, so let's see if it's not going to hold this time. Wow. Oh, it did hold. much cleaner. So 25 is what I need. 211 is what I need back up to. Yep, kissed it again, held it again. Did it back here. Did it over here. Did it back here. Typically, everything happens in threes. Remember what I just said. High, 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 and then fourth is when it crashed. So now that it's touched this 3 times, it might crash. I just need to be on the side with it. But the daily drawdown, it makes it much harder to take profit with their live. Live trailing is crappy. Then you got somebody with a daily. That makes it a lot harder. Because not only is it disappointing to hit the daily, the next day you have like this type of shit. $700. It's like, well, crap. You gave me a $1,200 drop or $1,200 daily loss on it. Now I've got $700, which is even less than what my original daily was. Just really keeps flirting with drop. Who knows? Who knows? There we go. There we go.
Order
I
filled.
don't trust. Now I think this might be turning into resistance up here.
Order
so we're going to take
filled.
the short. And we'll write it down with these guys. Unless this is just going to be the opposite pattern of how that was. How it was just up, and then slam. And then you see down, 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 slam. Which, yeah. This is
Order
trading
filled.
for you. Sucks. Not the most fun, especially once you go on a hot streak. You go on a hot streak. But once you go on a losing streak, you can. It's so hard to dig yourself out. Which I might be on my losing streak now.
Order filled.
Yep. Came down, kissed it, opened right on the 60. Damn. How rude. Drop. Slide it down just like you've been doing. Just a quick little slide.
Order
like that.
filled.
I'm gonna need to take me a minute. Recompose, regroup. Because I'm at this point, I'm just getting lucky, and that's not how convenient. My watch actually just told me, stress level high, feeling stressed, take a moment to relax in your body and mind. Thanks, Watch. You remind me every so often, every day. Just take you a breather. Just take a breather. It's nice to see when people make money and when people are doing good. Of course, I'm nowhere at some of these people's levels and all that, but it's just nice to see the people that I've seen and watched and things like that. Kind of, they found something that works for them. They found a good rhythm, found a good groove. I'm taking a little bit of everything from everyone, but still kind of struggling to find mine in a sense. So just checked up on some people earlier today. It's nice to see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, if the fun thing about this whole stream or the whole streaming game on my side is I'm still doing it, still here and there, just kind of like a self diary, self growth, I mean, who knows? Maybe next year I'll look back on these and be like, oh shoot, what were you doing? Why were you doing this? This is much more difficult than you made it, you know. This looks like a buy right here.
Order filled.
Kind of saw that trend right there to the upside. There it goes. So we don't put the stop too tight, but now we can actually trail it up. And this is kind of the trades that I'm used to taking. These
Stop filled.
like that. Saw it, broke, jumped in, rode it up. $300 profit. I mean, you have 15 points, 15 points. We do $300. Some people will just be done with it for the day. I mean, take profit, $300. You withdraw that, that's $240 to your bank. Some people be done. I mean, when you got 5 accounts, $300, $1,500, it's $1,200 to the bank, and you made that in less than 15 seconds. $1,200 for the day. You do that every day for a week. That's $6,000 a week. You know, I think that's more than the median salary per month. You know, so 6,000 a week. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to do the math and all that stuff, but 6,000 a week, that's 312,000 a year. I think the average income's like 70, 72, 70. Let's just say 70 for math's sake, you know. So what you would make in a week doing that is what some people make in a month. You did in 15 seconds times 5, so in a minute and a half, what some people do in a month. So that's why I jumped into trading. That's why I got into trading, was for shit like this, like the financial freedom, the independence, the not having to answer to a boss, not having to answer to anybody. I mean, shoot, I can just show my take profit withdrawals over the past couple of months, and I'm only trading with one account because I don't really like copy trading, because as you've seen, if I was copy trading this account, all these accounts would have been dead too. I mean, I just stick to my deal. I know I can manage 5 accounts. 10 accounts might be a little bit iffy, but as long as I can keep 5 alive, Take Profit pays out daily. Lucid pays out every 5 days. So, and they have the lowest daily profit goal, I guess. I mean, you only have to make $100 a day. That's 5 points. It's literally taking a trade. What account was that? We need to make $100. So it's literally just a 5-point trade. You get 250. Let's see. We're breaking out again. It might have left me already. But yeah, let's just go. Okay, 250, 255, or 256. Come
Order
back down.
filled.
Boom. Pop back up 256 real quick. Oh, don't do that. Don't leave me behind. Go hit my 256. Go hit my 256. That was close. Oh, don't do that. Okay, well, I thought it was going to be easier than this, but looks like I was wrong. Patience. I mean, as much as I fish and as often as I fish, you would think I'd have more patience.
Order filled.
Okay, boom. It took a minute. A little bit dicey, a little bit iffy, because I saw this starting to form out. Same opposite pattern. Boom, boom, boom. Rip. Boom, boom, boom. There's your drop. Well, the drop is starting to occur. 54 down to 34. Yeah, 20-point drop. That would have got dicey. But yeah, look, 101.50. I'm way over the withdrawal requirement. So now I get a $1,500 payment. So yeah, that's. I mean, y'all watch me do it live. Y'all watched me do it live. Might not have such many people, that many viewers now, but I'm thankful for anybody and everybody who has watched. I don't know. I do know, though, I don't need to risk any more of these accounts. None of these accounts need to be risked anymore. $1,000 there, 1,100 there, 1,200 loss there. Take profit is not that one. There we go. I wish there was a way to switch screens without. Does it go black for y'all whenever I stop sharing? Huh. Okay. We'll see if Lucid is updated. Lucid's pretty good about that. $37.18. Nope, hasn't updated just yet. Give it about 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, who knows. Really hoping my dumbass didn't. Let me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. Okay, cool. It just hasn't updated. I was like, damn, man, I can't be that stupid. Nope. Oh, there's the button to share. Okay, cool. So, learned something new. So yeah, here we go. This is that Lucid account that I just gonna get my first payout on. Days traded 5. First day 12, 12, 9, 3. Got my 100 right there. So the goal is to hit 1,000, and then the last couple $100 to make the full $1,500 payout. So go back, go to Pro, refresh. We'll give it a little bit. But yeah, that's. Here we go. Kind of stack, drop. Stack, step. Is this going to be the first drop, which eats up all of these candles? Who knows? What I do know is 267 to 167. 50% of that is 217. So let's see if it would hit. Get that yellow line. I mean, yeah, I want to get in on it. But I do know I need to take a break. I do know I need to walk around just for a minute and get my shit cleared up in my head. Let's see. let's just see how this pans out. Remember, 217. We're going to keep breaking up higher. We're going to eat this whole candle. We've already done that and then rejected down. So is 280 going to be the break, or is it going to be another rejection? That's something you got to think about. How's a little bit? Look. Trend drop. Trend drop. So if we're going to drop, it's going to be below this. Okay. Then you'll want to take 50 points. But it might not. And that's okay too. Just busted 300. Let's see. Stock rise accelerated as excitement about the potential for the AI tech that is fueled the bull market outweighed fading hopes for a Fed rate cut. Traders add to bets it's Fed rate cuts after latest economic data. Still seeing the Fed skip December. If anybody does stocks, Dover, one of the directors, just bought 175,000 in it. Ooh, the COO just sold off their 300,000 share. BTCS. CEO just made $260,000 purchase. Oh, I mean, you got some money. Marriott director just bought $4 million in it. So there's a couple of inside trading going on right now. Is this going to be our drop? Hit the 300 just to make that wick back down? I don't know. We've got too much data, too much stuff going on. I would want to try it, but 300 is such a round number. Crap. Well, I think I'm going to have to get off. I got a guest coming, and of course, here's the drop. So this would have been something that I would have played out. You saw that drop. You saw that one. I'd be getting in right about here. Maybe even set take profit 25 points down, so 80, put it at 55. Or you can put it down 50 and then just trail it every 5 points. But all right. Yep, I got to go. I've got a guest coming at 20 minutes. Good luck, and I'll see y'all again. Peace.